Hey, what's up? Thanks for coming back to my 41 Dreamin' channel, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, wherever you're watching. Thank you so much, everybody that has been checking in, liking, and commenting. I really do appreciate it. I'm back in the garage today, just scoping out some stuff that needs to get done to the Explorer. For those that are new, all I'm doing is right now is trying to get the donor vehicle, which is the 2002 Ford Explorer XLT 4-door. That doesn't really matter, but we're stripping it down to the base of the vehicle. So we're taking all the doors off. We already took the top off. We're going to take some of the paneling off because I'm trying to put the 1941 Chevy 2-door coupe on top of that chassis, because my frame was broken after we exposed it. So instead of buying a new chassis, we just bought a donor vehicle, and we're just going to do a body swap. So as you can see, the whole front clip has been taken off, the hood, the fender, doors, this whole top section. Cut that off by myself and hauled it out this week. The rear hatch is obviously right there. And today I'm going to be working on getting this hitch slash bumper off. Just juiced it up with some lubricants. And yeah, so that's where we're at right now. Cool, there it is. That was pretty simple. Okay, I've been talking all the time about the 1941 Chevy. This is it here. When I got it, it was actually put together. Still had the seats, the steering column, the back seat. Well, it wasn't really a back seat. It was a wooden plank full of mice and mice poop and pack rat stuff. So all of that has been removed. If you see that in my older videos. So I'm just doing some scoping, just trying to see if this is actually going to fit on that Explorer. My friend Mark and I have been talking all week. We think this front is going to have to get cut to fit that body. As you can see, I got parts everywhere. The neighbors love it. So I was going to grab the hood and just put it up there and just see what it looks like. I think that's going to have to get modified. And these fenders too are definitely wide enough. So there's definitely some space in there to fit around that big body, which sounds weird for an Explorer, but it is pretty wide. There's the hood and the trunk lid. Yeah, so it's like a swap meet over here right now. Okay, here's a hood mock-up of the exploded Explorer. This is a 1941 Chevy 2-door coupe special deluxe. This is the hood, of course. Kind of looks like a boat that's upside down. As you can see, it's a very narrow hood. A lot narrower, that's hard to say, than I remember. So there's going to be some serious modifications that have to be done to make this look legit. The Chevy's fenders are a lot wider. They kind of swoop down and go over. So that's going to be fun to figure out. Except those are still attached to the radiator housing. So, yeah, I don't know if we can use this hood. We might have to actually find another hood from a different car or year. That looks so funny up there. So yeah, that's kind of what it's supposed to be doing.